Take a ride in the 2015 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, child safety locks, power windows, power door locks, trip computer, security system. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Your new ride is just a phone call away.